Semi-treated water is first pumped through the guard strainer to remove larger solids. The water is then filtered through the membrane cartridges to produce filtered water. Filtration process. The hollow fiber membrane cartridges provide a larger surface area for effective filtration. Here, semi-treated water permeates through the fiber pores to produce clean filtered water. The duration of the process is set according to the condition of the feed water. The suspended solids left behind after the filtration process will then go through an air scouring cycle in the backflush process. Backflush process. During backflush process, the membrane cartridges go through an air scouring process where the air bubbles are injected into the cartridge via the blower. This action would dislodge the suspended solids from the membrane surface. Following that, clean product water is pumped into the membrane cartridges to flush the suspended solids out to the reject outlet. The backflush process rejuvenates the membrane cartridge without the use of chemicals. Enhanced Backflush (EBF). To optimize the filter's performance, an enhanced backflush is set to run on a periodic basis. An EBF is a process where a chemical dosing of chlorine and biocide is added into the backflush stream during the backflush cycle. Air bubbles are injected into the module via the blower. This action dislodges the suspended solids from the membrane surface. The membrane cartridges are soaked in liquid chlorine for 10 to 20 minutes to dissolve the suspended solids. Clean product water is then pumped through the membrane cartridges to flush the remnants out. The discharge is then disposed of according to local regulations. An EBF is set by default at every 24 hours to prevent fouling in the membrane cartridges. This ensures that the exterior of the membrane cartridges is thoroughly cleaned, thus enhancing the filter's lifespan. After an extended period of usage and depending on the feed water conditions, the filter may experience a drop in flow rate. At this point, the CIP process serves to thoroughly clean the ultrafiltration system. CIP process. CIP is a process of cross-flowing the membrane cartridges with a chemical dosing of chlorine and biocide for cleaning purposes. The process cleans the ultrafiltration system thoroughly, which includes the guard filters and membrane cartridges. The CIP solution and air bubbles are injected into the module via the center pipe to ensure that the membrane surface is thoroughly cleaned. The CIP process will continue to run for about 20 to 30 minutes before the backflush process begins. The backflush process ensures that all chemical solutions are completely flushed out from the system. Clean product water is then pumped through the membrane cartridges to flush the CIP chemical solution out. The discharge then returns back to the CIP tank for proper disposal according to local regulations.